this press conference is regarding one raid we conducted in Vagator, in which we caught a German national by the name of Sebastian, and we caught drugs total worth around 24 lakhs. So in his possession we found ketamine powder of around 10 grams, then ketamine liquid around 400 grams, and we found some LSD blot papers around 13 in numbers, and then we also found 2 kgs of ganja with him. So this raid was conducted last night, and this was in continuation of an earlier case which the ANC had done around 1 week back, in which we caught one Indian national. He was a resident of West Bengal. His name was Agniv Sengupta. We got in his possession around 16 grams of MDMA, which is commercial quantity, and around 50 plus grams of high quality cocaine. So the lead of this German was from that person. So this within the span of around 1 week, the ANC has done 2 raids and both commercial quantity cases, and total worth is around more than 30 to 33 lakhs. Okay. Yeah.
Last few months में आपने बहुत रेड डाले थे, 10 क्या डिटेल्स थे उसमें?
Details 10
रेड डाले थे पिछले 1 महीने में, उसके कुछ डिटेल्स?
I think you are getting confused with the district. Not district had done 10 cases of NDPS. So unka press release mein I think it came like 10 cases of NDPS. It is for North district.
Is there a wider network involved in these 2 cases?
Yeah, this is what we were trying to find out. The initial first case that we did, that's why we were actually investigating. We were getting leads. This was the person who had supplied drugs to the other person, the first person we caught. So we are again investigating as to what the further links are. We are investigating the sources from which this person had gotten. So we are trying to unearth the network which is there. Any other questions, please?
Is there like a kingpin operating?
We are investigating. First thing is that these 2 people, one is from a native of West Bengal, the other person is a German. He is on tourist visa. So as and when the investigation is there, we'll try to find out who is the actual person. The investigation is a process. We'll find out definitely who is the main person behind it, if at all.
First it is a frequent traveler.
Okay?
Think
Yeah.
this carries a lot of synthetic drugs.
Yeah.
Availability. Is this an increasing trend?
See, the first person, let me tell you about him. He is a person from a native of West Bengal, but he also had connections with Germany. He used to do a frequent traveling from Germany to and fro. The other person also, the German that we caught yesterday, he is also German. So these 2 were like friends. So there was some connection between them. So we were still we are investigating. And the question that you asked, is there an increasing trend? Maybe, but we are, our team is on the job. They are trying to find, they are trying to catch everyone who is there.